Okay.
Hey, Maddie, you're under arrest. Stop.
Journey.
Back to normal.
Is that good?
Hey, not too bad. Come on. Hey, don't slam the door on me.
Here you go.
Welcome back to the baby games. We've got it all for you. The struggles. Oh, the intensity. The triumphs. First up, gymnastics. The American. Working it. Just look at that concentration. 10-meter toddle, one of the marquee events at any baby game. And there they go. China running away with it. Oh, looks like he's stuck on the line. And here comes Argentina on the outside. But China does it for gold. Back to gymnastics. Japan on the rings. Pressure has never been higher. What an effort. Now the American. The dismount. Nailed it. Gold for the U.S. Over to weightlifting. Argentina, can they do it? Oh, and it's a heartbreaking result. Now the German is just showboating. Now on to our final event, the 3-hurdle toddle. And there they go. A little unorthodox. France having some trouble on the last hurdle. Oh, and it's incredible. It's gold for France. Watch all your favorite Olympic moments on the Olympic Channel, where the games never end.
What's that? What is it? Is it raining?